I'm going to do an impression of Woody Woodpecker. And the first off that you guys may like, I'm just going to say the sound of a voice first and then put random words as I'm saying it, like Toy Story or something like that, okay? But the first one's going to be boring, okay? Alright, here goes. Let's start the show. Toy Story. Muppets. Okay. That's pretty much it of my Woody Woodpecker impression. I hope you like it. So, this is the first impression I ever did, so I hope you guys like it, comment on it, whatever. Alright, thank you. Woody Woodpecker's going to say something to YouTube. Bye, everybody on YouTube. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.